Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today I want to show you this acoustic car, how to replace the foam. Okay, because this color is fade, that's why we need to change the foam. And there is a one flower type screws and this both sides. And don't remove this one. I'll show you now. Don't remove this one. Only this one and this one you can remove. And the top one is like a Allen-key type. Do you know Allen-key type? It means L type screw. I will show the spanner also. Then we need the material this rolls and after you can use then bison kit and double side tape, and you need to cutter double side tape and cutter. And this one is a flower type screws, this one, and this one is a lanky. Okay, and you need knife also because you will be cut the foam exactly. That's why we need knife. And soldering iron, we need to make a hole. That's why we need to soldering iron. This one, see, this Allen-key you can use only the cover one. For this one HF, you know, this HF, you know, HF cover, we can use only these two. And all different type screws, all different you can use tools also. This, see, this is a flower type one. You can use this flower type one. See, this is the flower type one. You can remove this one in the flower type, exactly this one is. But you can use a proper tools, if you have a drill machine you can use a tighter also. Anything you better to you can use a drill because it's quick. You can remove everything and then you can fix it easily. If you have a spanner, it's okay, then you can use that one also. See this one grill, we have a four screws, one, two, three, four, and then top one also we can remove the four screws. Why we need to remove top one? Because the grill will be attached to by the speaker. That's why we need to remove this top cover also. Then we will show you. We just remove. See, we can remove this one. See, like this, yeah, or something like that. Okay, you can just remove the covers and don't touch the speaker also because it's very expensive, the speakers. Don't remove this nut bolt. See that there is a nut, then someone thinking that we can remove the nut, but don't remove that nut. If you remove that one, the grill will be broken, full grill will be broken. Then we need to order new grill. Okay, this only you can use the cutter, knife cutter, and then you can cut in this circle hole, and then you remove that full foam. Then we can replace other fabric, different one. See, there is a hole now, then you can cut it exactly. If you have knife, and then you can use knife, anything, then you can cut. See, there is inside also there is double side tape. Then you can see this knife, you can exactly cut the hole and then you remove fabric. See, but it's take time, but you can remove slowly, because if you forcefully you remove that one, a frame will be bent automatically. That's frame is not a four circle type. There is a cuts, no, that's why its frame will be bent. You can remove slowly, and then you can remove gaffer tape and whatever there. Then you can remove all full clean. Then you see this full clean, then you can, now you can cut the fabric. What is exactly size, what we have taken an 29.5 centimeter, exactly both sides. We will cut exactly both sides and 25 29.5 are using. Then if you have a sharp knife cutter, because we are ordering fabric, this acoustic one, that's the first quality one. We have available lot of qualities in China market or something like that, but we are not taking that one. We only take branded ones. This acoustic one fabric is first quality. Then we will cut, see this 29.5 29 point. I can show you the measurement also if you want. See this measurement tape. Yeah, you can measure it. See, 29.5. And if you want you can take 30 also. 30 is better, but I will take the 29.9 exactly. Then I will show you was before you can cut one piece and you can check exactly or no. Then after you can cut more. See exactly in the center, then you can do it same as usual. First what you will do to put double side tape, four sides, four corner, four sides you can put double side tape. See first side, and then next seconds you can cover it with full holes also. Later I will show you how to cut the holes also. then you can put four sides, and you can put inside also as well. See, inside you can cover it inside, full double side tape. Okay, see, you done four sides and round side also, both fully done. Then you can remove the double side tape, front side of the red color one you can remove, four sides, inside also outside also you can remove. And then you will put bison kit and you can stick it. It's the proper, I'll show you. See, we before I told you that this is material, we have a roller. We'll take this one. This roller also you get the cheap price, and then bison kit also you get the cheap price, not that much expensive. Okay, this is the bison kit, and you can open this bottle. But if you do it know that bison kit, don't put too much, or if you put too much it will be come out, then fabric will be everything, it's sticky. Okay, only lightly you can put and just roll it up, not that much, only lightly. Once done, see, only simply one type colors. And what will do, you can put it there and then fabric and then stick it. See, fabric is there, then you can, if you are doing that, then you can full tight fabric, you can full tight and then you can stick it. If you are doing loose, then after, if you are getting more base, its fabric will be rattling, then sound will come different. Okay, that is very bad. If you are some client or sing, it's very bad sound. That's why you need to full tight fabric, then you can stick it. Why we are using bison kit? Because the holes, the circle holes, it will be stick. That's why we need to use that fabric. I'm sorry, bison kit. Okay, once you done on four sides, then make a hole. uh, we have a cutter, but we are not using cutter, because if you are using the cutter, it's not good. No, that's some lines is coming or something like that. That's why we are using the soldering iron. Then you can put exactly hole, because soldering iron is very heat. No, that's why. See this one, how we can make a hole. See, only like that. Once, class. Then we can use four sides. See, opposite side also two. Done. See, there is a logo one also. One side is a logo, other side is no logo. So I make logo hole also, then I fix logo, and you can do it. First you need to remove all locks, this side locks. You can't remove, then you cannot fix it there. Then you can remove the lock first. See, I didn't remove the pin, then I will remove the pin, because you cannot fix if you want to remove. Later you can put the logos. Okay, then once you done, then you can tight it, screw. Same, if you want, you can use a tighter, or otherwise you can use a flower type screwdriver. Then once you done, then you can just tight, hand tight, because tighter you cannot tight full, because just normal tight, then after you can tight it hand tight. It's hand tight is very good every time. You can fix in the both sides same. Once you done, then you can fix the waves guide. See, both side is done. Now that side also, this side also, perfectly. Then two more screws. Okay, then you can fix waves guide cover also. You can put it slowly, this one, because very, this was plastic. No, if you put more tight, it will be broken. Okay, just normal. That's a simple thing. Then we need to change the foam. Okay, just we can tight, and after one day it will be dry. Then you can play some songs or everything, it will be good. Okay, then you can tight slowly. This one, there's a waves cut. That's the plastic, that's why you can easy to broke that plastic. That's it, you can fix two and then you can keep it sub aside, and then 1 or 2 days you can just play that songs. You can use it now also, but the bison kit is a little bit wet now, that's why you need to, I think one day it's fine, one day you can keep it and separate, and the next day you can use the speakers. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye all.